Hi everyone, it's Lloyd from SERPAnswers.com. In this quick video, I'm going to take you through the steps to show you how to use your old Google questions and answers CSV files with the new SERP Answers automatic multi-search function that I've just completed. So once you've logged in, obviously click on New Search, and you'll notice that there's a new button called CSV file. I'll show you what the CSV file is in a minute. So what we need to do is we need to download the CSV file template. I'll fix this typo shortly. So yeah, download the CSV file. Now what the CSV file does is it'll give you the list of countries, and it'll give you the let me see. Sorry guys, I should have actually had this open before I started recording. So when you download the CSV file from above here, click on it, it'll download here, click on the folder, double click to open it. Now what you need to do is, obviously you can enter in as many keywords as you want. There's 28 here, and including the header. And you've got your country selected. You select country relates to this drop down here, so United Kingdom, and then the target area. Now if I select a city, I can then go and select any city within the UK, which shows us on the CSV file. So all I need to do is do Liverpool, and then obviously use Google.co.uk, and then change this to UK. Now, obviously GB. Sorry again guys, yeah, that is international country code is GB. Now, if you're obviously in any of the other countries, it would be well. All you need to do is just remove every other country name. Select your location. Now, at the moment, I'm doing a city. I'm doing a city scan for a list of keywords from an old CSV file. So all I need to do is select United Kingdom, double click, enter in my location, which is Liverpool, Google search engine that I'm using, and then the international country code, which is GB. Save that, and then what you can now do is go back to your old SERP Answers CSV file. Just select all, copy from your old CSV file, and then place them into the new CSV file. Then obviously, if you've got enough search credits, and the one thing I will say here is that just because I'm doing a Liverpool based search doesn't mean that I can't add in any additional locations. But what needs to happen is you need to make sure that the location that you're looking for, so let's say Chester, so I can add in Chester into the CSV file. So I can actually do a country specific search for a certain keyword. So let's add in, let's see Chester, let's see 1 and 2. 1 and 2 would be a county, would it be? Yeah. So you can flick through, you can select your cities, you can do a mixture of counties, districts, TV regions, postal codes. But for the ease of this quick video, I wanted to keep it simple and just use the city of Liverpool. So let me file save as. Now the file name doesn't matter at all. So just save it as a CSV, comma delimited file. Click on save, close that, and click on choose file. Go to the CSV file that we've just created, click OK, and then click upload the CSV. Now what will happen is, if you've got if you haven't got enough credits in your account, you will get an error message. So click OK, upload CSV file. So SERP Answers are a number of rows in the CSV file exceed your available credit limit. So either trim down your CSV file or just top up some more credits. So I refresh my credits now and then try again. Click on upload. As you'll see, the number of credits has reduced by the number of rows within the CSV file. And what I'm going to be doing over the next hour or two is I'm going to add in here a number of queued sorry about that. I'm going to add in a number of queued searches that you've got. So I'm going to start a script running, and what we'll see the results of the scans of the searches coming in. You see, it's probably takes, I don't know what, maybe 5 or 6 seconds per search. And we can obviously go and view these. So at the moment, your CSV file, as long as you've got enough credits within your available balance, you can upload hundreds of keywords to run through the SERP Answers software. If you have any questions, let me know on support. Thanks guys.